Welcome to English practice classes. Types of chairs. Folding chair, folding chair. Rocking chair, rocking chair. Stool, stool. Armchair, armchair. Cuddly chair, cuddly chair. Sofa, sofa. Desk chair, desk chair. Egg chair, egg chair. Bench, bench. High chair, high chair. Hammock chair, hammock chair. Dentist chair, dentist chair. Ball chair, ball chair. Wheelchair, wheelchair. Ladderback chair, ladderback chair. Waiting chair, waiting chair. Deck chair, deck chair. Bowl chair, bowl chair. Lounge chair, lounge chair. Push chair, push chair. Side chair, side chair. Adirondack chair, Adirondack chair. Tulip chair, tulip chair. Baby chair, baby chair.